The machines that I'll use throughout this course will be these three. I will have a domain controller named RTS-DC1. It's also going to be a DNS server in addition to being a domain controller. The IP address will be 192.168.1.250. I'll use the default subnet mask, so I'm not actually changing that. I do not need a default gateway because these machines will not connect directly to the internet. And the preferred DNS server of RTS-DC1 will be the same as the IP address. It's going to end in 250, so that'll be the same. Because this machine will be the DNS server in our environment. And DNS, its primary purpose is to resolve names to IP addresses. That is a topic we cover in great detail later in the course, but that'll be the IP configuration for RTS-DC1. I'll also use a core server. Its IP address will be 192.168.1.252, default subnet mask. Just like RTS-DC1, no default gateway. The preferred DNS server will be 192.168.1.250, so it's going to use that RTS-DC1 as its DNS server. And the alternate DNS for all of these machines will be blank. We're not going to use an alternate. The last machine I'm going to use is RTS-serve1. That is going to use an IP address 192.168.1.251, subnet mask, no gateway, and the DNS server will also be the IP address of RTS-DC1, just ending in 250. And no alternate DNS either. So that is the IP layout that we're going to use throughout the course.